Welcome to English with Karim.
Let's learn English together.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Karim. We're so happy to have you here for another practical English lesson. Today, we're going to learn how to speak English at the doctor's clinic.
That's right. Visiting a doctor can be stressful, especially if you don't know how to explain how you feel in English. But don't worry, after today's lesson, you'll know exactly what to say.
We'll learn useful English expressions for describing symptoms, answering the doctor's questions, asking for medicine, and understanding simple medical advice.
These are real-life conversations that can be very useful when you're traveling, studying abroad, or living in an English-speaking country.
You'll also learn common words like headache, fever, cough, sore throat, medicine, prescription, appointment, and many more.
Don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every sentence and practice with confidence.
So get ready to listen, repeat, and improve your English with another natural conversation.
Let's begin today's lesson and step into the doctor's clinic together.
Good morning, Sarah. You don't look very well today. Is everything okay?
Good morning. Not really. I haven't been feeling well since yesterday evening. I have a terrible headache and my throat hurts whenever I try to speak or swallow.
I'm sorry to hear that. You also sound a little different. Your voice is much weaker than usual.
Yes, I think I might have a cold. I've been coughing since last night and I didn't sleep very well because I kept waking up.
Have you checked your temperature?
Yes, I did this morning. It was 38.5 degrees Celsius, so I think I have a fever too.
That's quite high. Have you taken any medicine?
Only some painkillers this morning, but they didn't help very much. I still feel weak and tired.
I think you should visit a doctor as soon as possible. It's always better to get checked before the illness becomes worse.
I agree. There's a medical clinic just a few streets from here. Would you come with me?
Of course, I'd be happy to go with you. Friends should always help each other.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
A few minutes later, they arrive at the clinic.
Good morning. Welcome to Green Valley Medical Clinic. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to see a doctor, please. I'm not feeling well.
Of course. Do you already have an appointment?
I don't. Is it possible to see the doctor today?
Let me check the schedule. Yes, you're lucky. The doctor is available in about 15 minutes.
That's great news. Thank you.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Sarah Williams.
Thank you. Could you also show me your identification card, please?
Certainly. Here it is.
Thank you. Please fill out this medical form. It only takes a few minutes.
No problem. What information do they need?
They want my name, age, address, phone number, and a short description of my symptoms.
That seems simple enough.
Yes, they also ask if I have any allergies or if I'm taking any regular medication.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't. Fortunately, I've never had any serious allergies. Excellent. Everything is ready now. Please take a seat in the waiting room. The doctor will call your name shortly.
Thank you very much. The waiting room looks very clean and comfortable.
Yes, it does. It's quiet too, which makes it easier to relax while waiting.
There are magazines on the table. Would you like to read one while we wait?
Maybe later. Right now, I'd rather just sit quietly because my head still hurts.
Don't worry. I'm sure the doctor will help you feel better soon.
I hope so. I just want to know what's wrong and get the right treatment.
A few moments later.
Sarah Williams?
Yes, that's me.
Please come with me. The doctor is ready to see you now.
Good luck, Sarah. I'll wait here for you.
Thank you, Karim. I'll be back soon. Good morning, Sarah. Please come in and have a seat. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. Thank you. Honestly, I'm not feeling very well. I've had a headache since yesterday. My throat hurts, and I also have a fever.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let's talk about your symptoms. When did you first start feeling sick?
It started yesterday afternoon. At first, I only felt tired, but during the evening, I began coughing, and later my throat became very painful.
I see. Have you had a fever all night?
Yes, I checked my temperature this morning and it was 38.5 degrees.
Do you have a runny nose or a blocked nose?
Yes, my nose is blocked and it's difficult to breathe sometimes.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, especially during the night. The coughing kept waking me up, so I didn't sleep well.
Do you have any pain in your chest when you cough?
No, my chest feels fine. The pain is mostly in my throat and head.
Have you been drinking enough water?
Probably not. Because my throat hurts, I haven't been drinking as much as I usually do.
How about eating? Have you eaten normally today?
Not really. I only had a small piece of bread and a cup of tea because I didn't have much appetite.
That's understandable. Have you been around anyone who was sick recently?
Yes, one of my colleagues had a bad cold last week. Maybe I caught it from her.
That's possible. Colds and flu can spread very easily.
I was worried it might be something more serious.
Don't worry. I'll examine you first. Please open your mouth and say, ah. Good. Your throat is quite red. Now let me listen to your breathing. Please take a deep breath. Breathes in deeply. Excellent. And one more deep breath, please.
Breathes in again.
Very good. Your lungs sound clear, which is good news.
I'm happy to hear that.
Now I'm going to check your heartbeat.
Okay.
Now your temperature is still a little high, but everything else looks normal.
So, what do you think is wrong with me?
From what you've told me and after examining you, it looks like you have a common viral infection, probably the flu or a seasonal cold.
Is it serious?
No, not at all. Most people recover within a few days if they rest properly and follow the treatment.
That's a relief. I was really worried.
There's no need to worry. Now let's talk about the best way to help you recover quickly.
Thank you, doctor. I'm ready to follow your advice. The good news is that you don't need to stay in the hospital. You just need some rest, plenty of fluids, and the right medicine. Your body should recover naturally within a few days.
That's wonderful to hear. I was afraid it might be something much more serious.
I'm going to prescribe some medicine to reduce your fever and relieve your sore throat. I'll also give you some cough syrup to help you sleep better at night.
Thank you, doctor. How often should I take the medicine?
Take these tablets 3 times a day after meals. The cough syrup should be taken before going to bed because it may make you feel sleepy.
I'll make sure to follow the instructions carefully.
It's also very important to drink plenty of water. Warm tea with honey can help soothe your throat, and warm soup is also a good choice.
I usually drink tea every evening, so I'll definitely try that.
Try to eat healthy foods like fruits and vegetables. Oranges, lemons, and other fruits rich in vitamin C may help support your immune system.
I'll ask my family to buy some fresh fruit on their way home.
Getting enough sleep is just as important as taking medicine. Your body heals much faster when you rest.
I understand. I didn't sleep much last night, so I'll try to rest as soon as I get home.
I also recommend staying home for the next 2 or 3 days. Don't go to work until you feel better.
Should I call my manager today?
Yes, tell your manager that you're sick and need a few days to recover. Your health should always come first.
You're right. I'll call as soon as I leave the clinic.
Because you have a cough, try to avoid close contact with other people. If you must go outside, wearing a face mask is a good idea.
Of course. I don't want anyone else to get sick because of me.
Also, remember to wash your hands regularly and cover your mouth whenever you cough or sneeze.
I always try to do that. Good hygiene is very important.
Keep checking your temperature every morning and every evening. If your fever becomes much higher or lasts for several days, come back immediately.
I'll pay close attention to it.
If you have difficulty breathing, severe chest pain, or your condition suddenly becomes worse, don't wait. Go to the nearest emergency department immediately.
I understand. Hopefully it won't come to that.
Here's your prescription. You can buy all these medicines at any pharmacy nearby.
Thank you very much, doctor.
Do you have any questions before you leave?
Just one. When do you think I'll feel completely better?
If you follow my advice, take your medicine correctly, drink enough water, eat healthy food, and get plenty of rest, you should feel much better within 5 to 7 days.
That's great news. I'll do everything you've recommended.
Excellent. I wish you a speedy recovery. Take care of yourself and don't hesitate to come back if you need anything.
Thank you for your kindness and your help, doctor. Have a wonderful day.
You're welcome. Get well soon. Sarah, you're finally back. How did your appointment go?
It went very well. The doctor examined me carefully and said that I have a common viral infection. The good news is that it isn't serious.
That's a relief. I was a little worried while waiting for you.
Thank you, Karim. The doctor told me that I need to rest for a few days, drink plenty of water, eat healthy food, and take my medicine on time.
Did the doctor give you a prescription?
Yes, here it is. I need to buy some tablets for my fever, cough syrup, and medicine for my sore throat.
Awesome. There's a pharmacy just across the street. Let's go there now.
That's a great idea. I'd like to start the treatment as soon as possible.
And they arrived at the pharmacy.
Good afternoon. Welcome. How can I help you today? Good afternoon. I'd like to get these medicines, please. Certainly. Let me take a look at your prescription. Here you are. Everything is available. I'll prepare your medicines. It'll take just a minute.
That was quick.
Here are your tablets. Take 1 tablet after breakfast, 1 after lunch, and 1 after dinner.
Thank you. I'll follow those instructions carefully.
And here's your cough syrup. Shake the bottle before using it and take 2 spoonfuls before bedtime.
Thank you for explaining everything. Is there anything else she should remember?
Yes. Drink plenty of water, avoid very cold drinks, and try to stay warm. If you don't feel better after 1 week, visit your doctor again.
Thank you very much for your advice.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better very soon.
Now that you have your medicine, what's your plan?
I'm going straight home. I'll have some soup, drink hot tea with honey, take my medicine, and get some sleep.
That sounds like the perfect plan. Your body needs time to recover.
Exactly. Sometimes the best medicine is simply getting enough rest.
Today's experience also taught us many useful English expressions.
Yes, we learned how to describe symptoms, answer the doctor's questions, understand medical advice, and even buy medicine at a pharmacy.
Those are very important conversations because anyone might need them while traveling or living abroad.
Absolutely. Knowing these expressions can make you feel much more confident in real-life situations.
I'm glad everything turned out well.
Me too. I'll follow the doctor's advice and hopefully I'll be back to normal very soon.
Take good care of yourself, Sarah.
Thank you, Karim. And remember, everyone, your health is one of the most valuable things you have, so always take care of it.
What an interesting lesson. Today, we learned how to communicate in English at a doctor's clinic. These are very useful conversations that can help you in real-life situations.
That's right. We learned how to describe our symptoms, answer the doctor's questions, understand medical advice, and even buy medicine at a pharmacy.
Keep remembering some of today's useful words: doctor, fever, cough, sore throat, headache, medicine, prescription, clinic, water, rest.
Try to practice these words and expressions every day. The more you use them, the more confident you'll become when speaking English.
Learning English isn't only about grammar and vocabulary. It's about communicating in everyday situations, like visiting a doctor, shopping, traveling, or meeting new people.
Exactly. Every conversation you practice prepares you for real life.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Listen again, repeat the sentences aloud, and practice with us.
Remember, every small step brings you closer to speaking English fluently.
Now it's your turn. Have you ever visited a doctor? What symptoms did you have? Write your answer in English in the comments below.
We'll be happy to read your comments and help you improve your English.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video.
Subscribe to English with Karim.
And share this lesson with anyone who wants to improve their English.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Your support motivates us to create more free English lessons.
Stay healthy, keep practicing English every day, and never stop believing in yourself.
Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you in episode 14. Goodbye, everyone.